Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone's staying safe, staying inside. Today's video, we're gonna do a little vlog slash life update slash we are getting our first farm animals. Yay! What are we getting today?
Chickens.
We're gonna get some chickens today. So a little life update. After the last video that I did was my birthday vlog. So literally the week after that is whenever the coronavirus started getting closer and closer to home. So everything started changing. Quarantine started happening. And then the week after that, we finally closed on our house. We bought a house. We bought a house. Huh.
We bought a house for me. We signed up.
And we've been moving and trying to stay as safe as possible. So we do plan on doing a house tour. Well, I want to do a house tour, but Elijah, he's like kind of iffy like about privacy and stuff like that. So I was thinking maybe we could just show y'all guys the house and not show the rooms. So let me know what you think about that. And yeah, today.
Well, this is the dining room.
Yeah, we're in the dining room. But today we are going to show you guys our little chickens whenever Elijah and his dad get here with them. So it's actually a housewarming gift from my father-in-law because I told him that we were going to get chickens anyways. And he said, you know what, I'll go ahead and buy them for you and everything. So yeah, we are getting chickens today. And I will show you guys once they are here. So yeah.
Peace.
Oh, and here's Camilla. Cammy. Hello. No. She likes to play with my hair and pull it and pull everybody's skin and pull everybody's hair. But yeah, so I usually wear makeup and stuff for my videos, but quarantine life. So I don't think I've gotten ready since we started the quarantine. But yeah, so if you see any boxes and stuff around the house during the video, it's because we're still unpacking and everything. So. Chickens.
Hey, buddy.
Look, bud.
Want to get it? Get one look, I'm going to show you. That's all you do. Be really gentle. Oh, can I hold one? Watch out because they'll literally run away.
So these are our chickens.
And they're eating and they're drinking their water right now. And
That one's the smartest one right there. He's the only one that figured out how to drink the water so far.
I mean that one.
Them. All right, Daddy Chick. Daddy Chick. They're fed. Now he's gonna put some stuff in there for them. How do you feel, babe, about these chicks?
I'm hungry.
Look at that one in the water. Now we're a family of how much? 12? So we're just gonna do a little shout out because my father-in-law is the one that got us the chicks.
Oh, the Chick-fil-A.
All right, so thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bud, say thank you.
Say thank you, bud.
Thank you.
You're welcome. To Papa, say thank you to Papa for getting the chickens.
All right.
Here's Papa's MVP. Papa's MVP.
All right, you guys, that's it for today's little vlog slash life update slash us getting baby chicks. Carter really likes them. We really like them. They're so cute. So if anybody out there has chicks or chickens and has any tips for us, let me know. I plan on doing a lot more vlogs or videos for you guys now that we have most of our stuff settled in and everything. If you want the house tour, let me know or comment. So hopefully if we get enough, Elijah will end up letting us do it. All right, you guys, I hope you all stay safe and have a great day. Cammie's mad. Say bye, Cammie. Say bye.